that coat, huh?
Stop attacking me! What?
You gotta go, Papa. Was it Daddy?
No, it's my hand. No.
No, 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 no.
It's
No,
not.
no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ow! 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 No, no. Ow! Screw you and your damn socks, sissy. Ow! Ow! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Where you at? No, no, no. Oh. Close up. Come on, Nana. Come on, Nana. Come on, Nana. Here we go, Nana. What are you two doing? Okay, I got a close up here. Hold on, let me back up. Whoa, what the hell? I did not. I did not.
When my sister was little, she put her finger into my grandma's dog's butthole because she said it was breathing.
No. You can't have the food. What are you doing? You shocked me. Did anyone else hear it? Hi, Say hi to Grandma. I got, when your mom gets here, I gotta take him out and show your mom. No. What's she doing?
Trying to look for the Christmas Halloween hats. I think Mommy put them away. Mommy got him this the first time we got him.
What is that?
Do you think it still fits him?
Oh my god!
He just likes wearing clothes, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
Get this to your rear end.
His butt's all wagging. His tail's wagging. You want this? Oh, no. You should still play dress up with you one day.
I wonder what he'd do if you put like the little booties on him. Some dogs fall over.
I know,
and
Mommy
won't walk.
said, my dad was like, she tried putting this on him. You want this under it? No. You like this? Yes. Yes. Look, he likes this.
He'd probably like anything you put in his face. You could probably put dirty underwear in his face and he'd be like, yes. He's a dog.
He loves clothes.
What are you doing?
These look like underwear, look. Here you go, Nana.
What are you doing? You're tickling my butt.
No, we're playing dress up.
Go for it. Go for it.
Just put him in another coat.
There you go.
Go in a different coat? Wanna go in a different coat?
I like how he can't really walk right when he's
You're not going in a coat!
He barely can see here.
Oh, he's like falling over. He's like, no, take it off of me.
Oh, Lord, my ears popping.
Look at his little arms.
He's like, goat!
I have a big head and little arms.
Sissy's like, I'm leaving you guys. All I see is always butt. Oh gosh, she got her toy.
Well, it didn't really add much. So. He's like, love me, I'm fat and fluffy
Stop moving. You're trying too much. Come here.
He's like, I want everyone to love it. Come here. Come here. He's ignoring me now.
Cockroach! Say what you want, Nut.
Another one. Do you want this one? No. You want this one?
It fits. My phone on this Google so I can see
Okay,
it.
calm down. Calm your titties. Okay.
You know, she has the Michael Jackson Thriller for the Wii too. And it's on here.
Now we can fit around his belly. What is that?
Just put the pink jacket back on him.
Nut.
Just put the, yeah.
Your turn.
That was the funniest one because he like can't see, so he kind of like flops.
Nut. You gotta put your coat on. Gotta put your coat on. He's out of breath.
My Aunt Mickey has a couple of Boston Terriers, and the one is like obsessed with a ball. If you put it on the floor, she'll like maul the ball for like 3 hours, and then she'll be so out of breath she just falls over and sleeps. I know. Is his leg in there all the way? I like how he like smiles.
Look at that little kid go. Yeah, look at that boob.
Look at that fatso go. Oh, you want to see?
You could try to.
Pick you up and put you.
Do this to see if we can do it. Gigi. Come here.
She's like, hell no. She's by my foot.
You're so cute.
Oh, dude, I don't.
Held like a baby.
You could try to reach her under here.
Gigi. Hey.
Did she take it? She took it.
Where's this?
She's like, this is what I think of your clothes.
Can you stop with the clothes?
He's like, I want to try on everything. I'm a fashionista.
Where's this thing? Here.
Yeah. Go.
Sorry for not taking it out.
Yeah, why are you smacking my foot?
I don't think I can reach her.
Sissy, great.
I'm trying to get her to come over here. Go. Go.
Sissy. You know what? I'm done with this. Get your booty hair butt over there.
She saw through.
Here we go, Zoe. She's free. Oh, damn it. She... Hi, Sissy.
Come here, you. You're so cute.
Take her. She's like, oh, hell no. No. Here we go, Sissy. Time for your dress up. She's gonna take it off. She's about to be one pissed off puppy.
I can see it on her face already. She's like, this is not happening. This is my life.
You need to get on the floor, Sissy. Don't you dare try running away. There you go.
Nice, Sissy. She's like, what the fuck?
She doesn't even want to move.
Is it Grandma?
Oh,
Is it Grandma? Is it Grandma? Is it?
fuck, it's my mom.
She's trying to itch her butt.
She's on her way?
Yeah.
Just guessing.
Be like, we're dressing up dogs.
Here, you should take a selfie with me.
Oh, yes, here it is. Yes.
I need to take it up a little higher so you don't see my double chin.
Behold, great Pharaoh Ramses, I bring to you the